What's up, millionaires gang? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having an amazing time. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 3 key things you need in order to be a profitable trader. Number 1, balance everything in your life. If you're introduced to the forex market the way I was, then you definitely need this point. As at the time that I got to know about the forex market, that was the moment that I really needed money in my life. I needed to grow. I needed some things. My business was really going down. There was no job and there was no money. So the little I had to invest it into the market. And the person that introduced me to it never told me that it involves risk. All he told me was that just get a broker to put my money, just little money in, and I should get a laptop and just start trading. But you know what the story always be? You always end up in disaster. All right, so you don't want to be in that situation. You want to be balanced because the market involves a lot of risk and it's a business. You have to tackle it like you're running an actual business. Number 2, mentorship or learn first. 20 to 30% of the people that get involved with trading are frustrated people who probably just lost their job and they felt like, oh, there's something that can actually bring money, or people who want to make money very, very fast, or probably people who borrowed money and want to use it to trade so that they can return the money back in less than a month and buy a house in Banana Island. This is not wrong, all right, but the thing is, forex market is just like every other business out there. You have to learn first, learn how the market work, not just by going to babybabes.com or probably just going to Google and just search, or probably watching a bunch of YouTube videos and just feel like, no, you already know how to trade the forex market. It doesn't work that way. You need to learn a good strategy that have been back tested for a very long time in order for you to have an edge in the market. So you don't necessarily need to get a mentor. Actually, you can learn the forex market yourself, but it's going to take you longer time. Just like saying you want to use 1 year to learn from a mentor, then probably yourself you're going to be using 2 to 3 years, but you're still going to achieve it. All right, so that depends on after you balance everything in your life. You've learned a good strategy that have an edge in the market. The next thing you want to do is to have a very good risk and money management. To be honest, no mentor can actually give you that, because that deals with your mentality. So I can tell you today that, oh, don't risk more than 2% in your account and everything, and you just get to your house, probably something happens, you get annoyed and you just forget everything and you just take 5 to 7 trades in a row, right? And I can tell you just to take one and you're just too happy and you feel like, oh, I'm winning and I cannot lose anymore, and you just pump trades and all that. All right, so nobody can actually teach you this, but you have to sit down with yourself and try to understand that this is a business and you have to tackle it like a business. For me, if you're trading a propfirm, I would say don't ever go more than 1% per trade, and don't go more than 3% in a day. And if you're trading your personal account, don't go more than 3% per trade, because that will help you in order to stay longer in the market. You probably won't listen to this, I just have to say it anyway. So guys, that's just the 3 points you need in order to be a successful trader. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching this on Instagram or probably on TikTok, please give a follow. God bless you. Stay profitable, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.